everybody, it's me, Meggy. We have the June box from JoJo's Bow Club. Let's get to opening. It's an Add a Charm necklace.
Ooh, fun.
It's very pretty.
That's super fun.
And the collector's pin. And here's the certificate. And the 2 bows.
Here, hold them up one at a time so we can see them. Oh, wait. I love that one.
This one. And this one.
Oh, so pretty.
I know. I love the little heart in the middle. And that's all in the box. I loved today's. What about you? Make sure to subscribe to the JoJo's Bow Club. See you next time. Bye. Like and subscribe.